It's on?
It's on. We finished dinner. Olivia wants dessert. What are we going to make for dessert?
Chocolate chip cookies.
All right. Chocolate chip cookies. What's the first thing?
Okay.
I just told everyone my phone code, man.
Cup, instant butter, brown cooked 2.
Unsalted butter brown.
Unsalted butter, brown and cold 2. Room temp.
All right. I'll start that. What kind of flour?
I don't see it. All-purpose flour.
All-person flour?
Yeah.
All-purpose flour.
Huh.
And bread flour.
Yeah.
1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
Yeah.
You want to crack the eggs or should I?
Yeah. You're the main person. I only been in 2 videos. 1 second. Now you're talking. Oh my God. Half a cup.
How much? What sugar is that? What's it say?
White sugar.
White sugar and half a cup of
Half a cup of dark brown sugar.
dark brown sugar.
There was a gummy bear in the mixer. I don't know why. That must be from the toaster. My little buddy. Okay.
What are you drinking?
Now we're ready. Iced tea.
Iced tea?
Yeah?
Sweet. You want to measure out the sugar?
Yes.
Okay. What do you got? Measuring spoons?
Yeah?
I need half a cup. That's too small.
Got to half the cup.
Take your sugar.
You put it there.
Yes. Get the brown sugar. Oh, that's bread flour.
Where was the brown sugar?
Right in front of you, man.
This thing
Oh,
is,
that's way short. All right, go ahead. Okay.
this is hard to get. The next ingredient is me drinking my juice. Go on that button. The side button is where it is. So you need a little more juice ingredient. We need some chocolate chips so I can eat some, Dad. Go get them! Okay. Now that's the spirit. Oh my God. Just stay on a little.
There you go. I mean, none left for the cookies. Come on.
Here we go.
All right, we gotta put the eggs in there. You wanna do it?
Nana.
Teaspoon.
Mhm.
Eyeball it.
Mhm.
Half a teaspoon each of salt and espresso powder. And then a teaspoon of baking soda, so 2 of those. Where you going? You're gonna run over my foot.
Here we go.
All right, 3 of these. This is a 1/4 cup
3.
inside here. Fill it up. And then watch, take this and put it. See that?
Magic.
Don't spill it. Oh, yeah.
Get ready to buckle up, Buttercup. We gotta go and black out to the cookie land.
The bread flour.
3 scoops of this is 3. There's that magic tool.
Sorry. Hold it over the bag. Oh boy.
What? It's supposed to happen. I'm a
You
kid.
missed it.
I'm a kid.
Oh.
Understand? Bread file.
Are you gonna clean the dishes when we're done?
No.
Oh, okay. Half a cup of each, milk chocolate and semi-sweet. 2 of these.
One. Magic 2. 2 or 1.
2.
1. Hola!
Alright, chocolate's in there, mix it up. Ready?
Yeah.
One scoop, one cookie. That make sense?
Yes. Cookie.
Oh boy. Look at this cookie compared to this one. It's like twice the size. You done? You happy with that?
Mhm.
Don't eat the raw dough, man.
Why?
There's raw egg in there.
I like it.
Alright, let's put them in the oven, see how these come out.
So what? I'm not gonna die.
You're not gonna what?
I'm not gonna die. I want cookie! How yeah?
How's it taste?
Good.
Give Nico a bite.
Get out of here, man.
Toast needs to try a piece too.
Toast likes it.
Is it good, Nico? Monster.